If you want to see how we mount a Vidabox tablet enclosure and provide power over Ethernet to the device, then stick around. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Vidabox tablet enclosure for your Microsoft Surface Go and how to provide power and data via PoE. I'll start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools that'll help you get the job done. In order to mount this specific enclosure to the wall, we needed to use the VESA tilt mount. We also used the GAT USB-C PD to provide power and data to the Microsoft Surface Go. Make sure you grab your tablet. Vidabox enclosures come with drywall anchors and screws so that you're all set. For this install, you'll need a bubble level, but you can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a screwdriver, and a drill with bits and a 5/8 inch hole bit. This is assuming the home run cable is already in place. Let's get started. I started out by finding my placement for the mount and making sure it was level before marking the holes. Like the rest of the videos in the series, we're drilling into 3/4 inch MDF and not sheetrock. Now I'm securing the tilt mount component to the wall. In order for the USB-C cable to fit in the mount and power the tablet, we had to drill a 5/8 inch opening in the back of the mount. Now we have to drill the same size hole on the wall to match up with the back of the mount. The USB-C cable I'm using is a prototype that we're working on, and it fits perfectly in this install if you need a longer connection. Off camera, I connected the second component from the tilt mount to the back of the enclosure. This is what connects the two parts. Then you just have to feed the cable through the hole. Then just connect the two tilt mount components until they snap in place, tighten the screw on top to secure it, and you're done. We successfully installed a Vidabox Microsoft Surface Go mount and provided power with wired data via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.